In this video, we'll talk about how to create, or let me say, how to connect Google Analytics to our Google Tag Manager with a via custom HTML tag method. Okay, so the direct method we have already seen. Now we'll talk about via custom HTML tag method. How do we connect Google Analytics to Google Tag Manager? So we'll go with the same option. I'll go with add a new tag. I'll put option over here, Google Analytics. Okay, once I go to tag configuration, over here I won't consider this option. Okay, for example, let's say if this thing is not working or this option is not available, in that case I have to go to custom HTML tag. Okay, so for any platform, if the platform is not available, you can go with custom HTML option. Once you click on that, you have an option to paste the code over here. Go on the right hand side, analytics, and paste this code over here, control C, and then you can come over here and, oh sorry, you have to come over here and have to paste the code over here. Once the code is pasted, you'll go for triggering. Click on trigger. So we'll click on all pages only. Okay, and we'll go for save it. So it is getting saved. Once it is saved, then we can check this in the preview method as well, like how it's gonna happen. Okay, I need to give a different name. We already got the same name. Next one. Now go with the preview option. Okay, go to website and then refresh the website. I can see your two tags are getting fired. This was the previous one. This is the new one, Google Analytics 1. Okay, this is with the custom HTML option. Getting in custom HTML tag. Once you go over here, you refresh the website. Okay, left hand side you got overview. Getting it, and you can see over here one user active on the site. So this is how you get the data, and this is how we connect the platform via custom HTML tag method. So previously we have done with the direct method of we got the platform name itself over there, and this is how you can do it with the copy and paste in the code as well. Again, this is a very good method and very effective method as well. Thank you.